chairman of the organising committee for the Jamaica Athletics Invitational, Ludlow Watts, says overseas entities are doing more to support local track and field than Jamaican corporate companies. The Jamaica Athletics Invitational is one of 2 international meets on the local track and field calendar this season, along with the Racers Grand Prix. It succeeds the now defunct Jamaica International Invitational meet, which ran into funding issues and died a natural death in 2018. But the meet has not had any better luck with getting funding support locally, prompting chairman of the organising committee, Ludlow Watts, to say that overseas bodies support track and field much more than local corporate bodies.
You should know that the corporates in Jamaica do not really support at this level. We really could not really depend on the corporates, and because what is happening apart from the Sports Development Foundation, and I don't necessarily want to think about 1 or 2 other companies, entities, we have not been getting much support from the people of Jamaica, and a lot of the things that we achieve in track and field has to do with support from overseas.
According to Watts, long-time sponsors Puma are on board in support of the new JAI meet, and there is another major announcement to be made to introduce another overseas sponsor. He says without this, they would not be able to pull the meet off.
Yes, Puma, in terms of whatever we do, a lot of it come from Puma, and sometimes they will introduce other persons to us who might help us on a one-on-one basis, occasional basis, but overall, we would not be able to have any event if we were relying solely on the support of the corporate Jamaica.
Watts and the organising committee also have the government to thank after this announcement by Sports Minister Olivia Grange.
I'm therefore pleased to announce, ladies and gentlemen, that through the Sports Development Foundation, approval has been given for the allocation of $10 million from the Ministry of Sport towards the staging of this meet.
The meet, which will be held on May 11, is a World Athletics Continental Tour Silver meeting, and organisers say more exciting news about the event will be revealed in coming days. All right, let's take a break now on Primetime Sports Monday. Stay with us. We come back with more after this.